the property for a second viewing.
So the number one question we get asked is, should I buy a home in 2023? And yeah, you should, but you got to be careful of certain things when you buy the home. So in this video, we'll be saying what to look out for during a property viewing.
Straight away from the video footage, you can see the windows have been blocked up in the past. We are not entirely sure why this has happened, but the good news is we can easily install new windows if we wanted to. If you notice little drill holes on the side of the property here, you know it has been treated for damp, more specifically rising damp, in the past. So once you see this, it's a good idea to check the inside to see if the previous treatment worked or not. And if you know you're suffering from rising damp, I've made a quick video on that, which should be on the screen right about now. Now it's time to look at the inside and the issues that come with the property. So on the ground floor, I'm checking the chimney breast area. I'm just checking to see if there's any wallpaper peeling off, because that's normally a sign if there's a leak potentially in the chimney breast that is causing the wallpaper to significantly peel off the wall. Another thing that actually Lizelle noticed is that there's a pipe that would have led to an old gas fire, and you've just got to check these pipe ends and to see if the whole pipe is actually gas safe or not. If it's got a gas leak, that's something you should really be checking straight away. Checking plug points as well to see how many there is in a room, which ones work, but obviously checking if it's working is not really feasible in a viewing, so just checking how many would be a good idea as well to start off with. Checking the outside is almost as equally as important as checking the inside, and this is the reason why. You've got to check boundary walls to see which side of the fence do you maintain, what is your responsibility. Also, it could be an opportunity to check gutters, to see where the water drains to, and just to check the general condition from the outside. So one issue we noticed on this property was that there was a tree, and the tree roots were running slightly underneath the house, but it wasn't too severe now. But potentially it could be a deterrent for the future for potential buyers. And there's the garden for one of the properties we recently sold, and there'll be a future video coming on that one as well. So a lot of these houses up north have cellars, so it's a good advantage to strengthen your stairs.
So you can at least just take these out and then strengthen it then. Say press down here, that board moved. So you just screw that up. I can screw it up the bottom, which is good. Ceiling height is quite good, isn't it? Down there. Are you going to check that? You'll be alright here. I need to go. Gas is upstairs. Did you see the gas? That should be off.
So now I'm just checking to see where the hollow parts of the walls are, where the cracks are, so I can actually replaster those areas with bonding and then the finished plaster.
The trunking as well.
The height of the plugs above the floor
The 450.
complies with modern regulations. A lot of the older ones were down on the skirting.
That's it. That's really true, actually. Yeah. See, that's what I'm telling you. It's quite fairly large in there. But it probably wouldn't be worth doing that. Fine. I was thinking of feeding the wire through the ceiling like that. It's actually been. So here, look. Ceiling's good to be painted, no wallpaper. Take that off the wall. It's actually in good condition in terms of.
You have to try and fix that somehow.
This one.
Pendants. There's no it doesn't have pendants.
And the stairs here are pretty much fine. They're acceptable. Keep an eye on the time. I think where the previous windows were, when it was rendered here, I think it could be better, but. That's not bad. Yeah. One, two. There's 2 points in every room. Cool. That can be bolted through. That one's a little bit wobbly. I'll have to open up to see that. Yeah.
great. That great. The seals have gone. Knock them in here. If you can take off most of it, I'd say take it off. Gives us less hassle.